If your company has high similarity products or many collaborative partners and customers. Have you ever had these problems while generating reports? You have to repeat. Memorize the report template. Mark important points. Make same report manually. Very time-consuming. Using Moldex 3D report template. Just a few clicks. A simulation can use different templates to generate reports for different needs. Open Report Wizard. Choose Template A. And rename report. Click Start to generate the first report. You can see the customized contents. If you want to use another template output report, choose another template and generate a report. You can get another customized report. There is not only customized report template, but also customized result list. First, setting the display of the model, you can turn on deformation. Click New Result to add the current display to the result list. You can find the new result item at the bottom of list. You can rename customized result and add note. Finally, adjust the viewing angle. And save current result state. Generate reports with custom results using templates. You can find customized results in the output report. The benefits of Moldex 3D report template are: reduce training time, avoid mistakes, communicate more effectively, reduce report generation time and effort.